Good morning, dear students. Now you will cover the last topic of your GK book for this unit, that is page number 20. Meet the doctor. You know very well that whenever we are sick, we have any kind of physical illness, then we visit a doctor for treatment and we take the medicine. So, but do you know that only one single doctor is not capable of handling different types of your body problems? So, a doctor who is specialist in a particular field, only he can give you treatment regarding that problem, right? So by going through this chapter, you will come to know about different fields related to medical profession. So let's start. First is oncologist. Oncologist specializes in the treatment of cancer. Optometrist. An optometrist is an eye specialist. He treats the problems related to eyes. Next is pediatrician. A pediatrician is a child specialist. The next is dermatologist. A dermatologist is a skin specialist. The problems related to your skin are treated by a dermatologist. Next is surgeon. So he specializes in surgery. Next is neurologist. A neurologist, he is a brain and nerves specialist. The problems related to your brain and nerves are treated by a neurologist. The next is podiatrist. He treats problems related to foot. Next one is veterinarian. A veterinarian specializes in treating animals. Next one is dentist. So if you have any problem related to your teeth, then you must visit a dentist. He is a specialist in treating problems of teeth. Then gastroenterologist, specialist in treating problems of digestive system. Cardiologist is a heart specialist. Then psychiatrist looks after mental health of a person. Now here is book page number 20. So very carefully note down all these fields of specialization in medical profession, and also note down the fact file and learn them all properly. Have a nice day.